Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of Evolution X Android 12 custom ROM and if it is stable enough to be used as a daily driver on OnePlus 8T and OnePlus 9R. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see, I have installed Evolution X, which is an Android 12 based custom ROM on my OnePlus 8T. And if you go to the about section, you can see that the Android version is 12 and Evolution X version is 6.0. I'll just give you a glimpse of what to expect from this ROM. First of all, the ROM is super stable and can be definitely used as a daily driver. And honestly, it feels very fast and responsive. I mean, I have tried a lot of custom ROMs, be it for Android 11 or Android 12, but this ROM is so fluid. I have not faced any lags or frame drops as such, and the ROM just flies through everyday tasks. All the basic functionality works fine: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, calling and VoLTE services, NFC, and everything just works flawlessly. Since this is an Android 12 based ROM, it supports all the new features from Android 12 like Material You theming, newer UI and animation, OS and notification panel, the one-handed mode, privacy dashboard, and these all features just work without any issues. By the way, if you are thinking where do I get my wallpapers from, then join this Telegram channel of one of my friend called Wallpaperly. Moving on, the fingerprint scanner is a little slow as compared to Android 11 ROMs, but it does the job. However, we don't have face unlock or app lock features yet, which will hopefully be added in the future. Safety net passes out of the box on this ROM and all the banking and payment apps works great, except Axis Bank, which for some reason closes as soon as I try to open it. The Widevine security level is L1, so that means you'll be able to stream HD content on Netflix and other streaming sites. Now talking about the camera, you get this basic AOSP camera and I've tried to install a partial working Gcam on which the main back and front lens work. However, there are still some issues with the ultra wide lens. Comment down if you want a video on how to properly install a Gcam on Android 12. Evolution X has always been known for its plethora of customization options. Now I'm not going to show you all the options because there are quite a lot of them and it is going to take a lot of time, so I'll just give you a brief look at some of the features. First up, we have themes, and under themes we have dark theme option, font selection where you can choose between 6 fonts, icon pack customization, and custom color if you don't like the color generated by Material You theming engine. Moving on to status bar, we have status bar items, clock and date settings, carrier label and traffic indicator settings, battery size, and other 4G and LTE options. Next, we have notification where you can customize ambient edge lighting, heads up notifications. We also have notification light, battery light, and blink flashlight for incoming calls. Under quick settings, we have options like smart pull down, quick pull down, and other QoS animations. Inside power menu, we have options to toggle items on the power menu. Then we have gesture customizations where you can customize all the system gestures, and you can also have brightness control and 3-finger screenshot gesture. Moving on, under buttons we have system navigation settings and volume rocker settings like volume steps and keyword cursor control. Next up, we have some animation and miscellaneous settings. We also have some OnePlus settings where we have options like DC dimming, high brightness mode, ambient display gestures, FPS overlay, game mode, and system vibrator sense. So those were a lot of features, right? And each of them works absolutely without any issues. Evolution X has surely lived up to its name. I'm honestly enjoying my time on this ROM and I'm going to stay on this for a while. This ROM can give you a taste of Android 12 with a super stable experience, and it is only going to get better with future updates. A big thanks to the developer for rolling such stable builds. Highly recommend everyone to try Evolution X if you want to experience Android 12 before the official Oxygen OS 12 rolls out for our devices. Comment down if you want a video on how to install this ROM on OnePlus 8T. Also, I'll be trying other Android 12 ROMs such as Durfest and Nameless AOSP. Subscribe to the channel to not miss those videos. Thank you for watching.